Now, let's review some of the words and phrases that were used and learn their meanings. By following along, you can also practice the proper pronunciation of 10 key words and phrases which you can use in almost any office setting. You may pause the video and repeat after me as many times as you think is necessary until you feel confident about your pronunciation. Keywords and phrases. Step it up a few notches. To increase in quality. Appropriate visuals. Images that fit the presentation. Rehearse. To practice. Convey. To pass along, give verbally. Timer. Any device that can be used to check passing time. Time allotted. The amount of time that has been given to do something. Wrap up a presentation. To end a presentation. Engage an audience. To get an audience to pay attention. Lighten the mood. To help others or yourself relax. Demeanor. Someone's general mood or outward behavior.